and easy egg recipe is perfect for those days when you want a delicious and satisfying meal but you don't have a lot of time to spend in the kitchen. It's quick and easy and requires just a few basic ingredients that you probably already have on hand. With minimal preparation and cooking time, you can have a flavor and nutritious meal on the table in no time. This recipe also is to customize your preferences. You can easily swap out ingredients, adjust the seasoning, or add your favorite toppings to make it your own. Whether a beginner cook or an experienced home chef, this recipe is sure to be a hit. So why not give a try and enjoy a delicious meal that's both quick and easy. So let's cooking and enjoy, guys. I hope this recipe that we watch is easy for you to make, and I hope that I can try also to myself. So anyway, guys, enjoy.